I'm Sheila Curley. I'm with Berkshire Hathaway. I've been doing real estate really just about 2 years now. I had a long sales career in medical equipment sales. And when the company was sold, it went sold to a big corporation. And so I decided it was time to exit and reinvent myself. And I started my own professional organizing business. And a lot of my clients were preparing to move, downsize, a lot of different situations. And so I was helping people, relocate and how to fit furniture and stuff. And so then I decided that I kind of would really enjoy the other side of that, where like, not only could I help them get ready for a sale, but I could also list and sell the home for them. I started using Wise Pelican about a year ago. One of the reasons why was because your postcards weren't boring. My broker has postcards, and I'm sure all of them do, that you could go into their system and generate, but they were just kind of like boring, typical real estate postcards. And what attracted me to you guys was that they were eye-catching, they were different, and in this market, you have to make yourself different for anybody to pay attention. So I started using yours on a regular basis. And then I really liked the QR codes. That I have gotten the most action out of. I've been able to generate 3 new listings from the direct mail marketing in 2022 so far, and hopefully we'll get some more. I do it every month. I typically hit the same neighborhoods because the more you see them, they see you, the more they're going to think of you. Honestly, I try to keep it around $100 a month for my budget, and I'm getting results because I'm targeting the same areas. I think a lot of agents, send one mailing out to one neighborhood one time. You're not going to get anything out of that unless you're super lucky. Oh, I think the product quality is excellent. I always make sure I get one sent to me. I always check that off just so I can know when they're going to hit the neighborhoods, and also see the quality. And I think it's fantastic. I'll start getting people using the QR code, or sometimes they'll see the QR code, but they're not computer savvy. So they'll call me, even though there's a QR code on there. But yeah, I find the best result is once a month, the same neighborhoods. And then once a quarter, I mail to my sphere of influence something cute. Like I just sent out a recipe for, a summer drink that you guys had. And I'm gonna, in fact, probably today, do a mailing on the football postcards to my sphere of influence. Yes, I have interacted with them. They've helped me add a list. Like if I have a list that I've created, instead of purchasing one, if I just live chat and say, hey, can you add this list? They'll go in and do it for me and fix it, so I don't have to spend the time. It's nice. I mean, the biggest thing is to be persistent and consistent. Just come up with your list of neighborhoods that you want to farm and just keep sending to them over and over again. Don't jump around neighborhoods. And the QR codes are awesome. I mean, I get more action from that than anything else. And some of my postcards, I just have it with me with my horse, headshot with me and my horse. And I actually had one woman call me. She says, I got a lot of postcards in the mail, but I liked your picture with the horse, so that's why I called you. So even just doing something, if you're, I don't know, into cars or something, do something that you're not just the same headshot real estate agent.